Speech is a formal talk that you give to a group of people. An effective speech is the one that audience can relate to, that commands attention, holds interest, and leaves a lasting impression. Speech can be broadly divided into following types. 1. Personal, that is related to oneself. 2. Issue-based, that is expression of problem. 3. Sales pitch, that is for selling a product or service. 4. Product comparison. To deliver speech effectively, you should do the following. 1. Speech should be written with caution, keeping the audience in mind. 2. Start with greetings. 3. Introduce yourself and announce the topic of your speech. 4. Request audience that the question be raised after you finish speaking. 5. Speech should have opening and closure. 6. Practice speaking your speech before the actual speech delivery. 7. Rest well, eat well, and calm your mind before coming for speech delivery. 8. Check if your personal hygiene and grooming are in order. 9. Take precautions to make sure there is no external distraction during your speech. 10. Smile and speak with energy. 11. If in case you are feeling the stage fright, try to appear calm outward and try calming yourself inside. One of the best ways to calm yourself quickly is by imagining your audience to be something or someone you like. For example, if you like dogs, imagine as if there are all dogs sitting in front of you,